Thank
So
you.
my name is Abhishek and I'm from News First. This question is to the actors of the movie. ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೇಖಕ ಕತೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ತ್ರೀ ಗೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ಸ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ಸ್? ದ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೌರಾಣಿಕ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್?
See, that's what yesterday when we were in Mumbai, a question like this was asked. How was it difficult, or what was your prep to play characters like this, which have historical importance? See, as Indians, as citizens of this country, a lot has been said to us when we were kids. Stories ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು. They've said these stories to us. We grew up listening to stories of these powerful people who've made India possible. So unknowingly or knowingly, it's injected into our blood and our nerves. So when a director like Rajamouli comes up with a story like this, where you're playing characters of historical importance, I really feel that there's not a lot of prep which is happening. It becomes so instinctive. Because you know these people. You've grew on them. So for me it was very prompt rather than working for it. No, this is about me. Now she will answer this.
No, you're absolutely right. But one of the first things that Sir said to me in our meeting was that it's very important that you look the part, because Sita is very loved, and it's very important that I represent her. We've understood that in his films, the authenticity comes through. It's not like he will just do something just to put it in. So it has to be extremely authentic. So 50% in my opinion is the look, for which Rama ma'am, sir worked very hard, and I just showed up. The other part was for me to prepare the language, for which I prepared for I think 1 year and 3 months. I was just saying the lines again and again and again and again. And I would do that only because I don't want to be thinking about what I'm, like the way I'm speaking while I'm speaking it. I want to be thinking about the emotion. But speaking about the preparation, I prefer to always come a clean slate for the director. Because if I come with too many preconceived notions, he gave me few words of her spirit, of her innocence, of her strength, of her vulnerability. I embodied that, and then I want to just be directed, go here, go there. Because otherwise, if you come too set with your preconceived notions, it becomes difficult for you to unlearn it. So as I said before, I was doing the learning on set.
Venkat sir, a question nimge.
One second. I think
Charan
Ramcharan sir
has
is
to
yet
answer.
to answer.
There's a third actor.
Yes. Yeah.
So, I completely agree 100% to what Tarak said. Extension of that, I also believe this was again a fresh 2 characters or 3 characters we played, because it's a thought that it's inspired from the freedom fighter, but it's fictionally created, the whole characterizations. So it was easy for us because we didn't have to take the pressure of that legendary freedom fighters onto us, but taking the spirit of them, like Rajamouli sir said, we are falling into a fictional cinema. So it was again very considerably easy for us.
Venkat sir.
Rajamouli sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, which is your favorite film of Rajamouli sir and superstars who is presented now here?
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
No. I'm asking which is your favorite film of the Rajamouli sir and the NTR sir and Ramcharan sir?
ನನಗೆ
RRR.
she answered.
Yeah, on behalf of everyone, Alia has answered. It's RRR.
Rajamouli sir.
But I still want to share, when Simhadri got released, ನಾನು ಈಶ್ವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಸರ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶೋಗೆ.
ಅದು ಮಲಯಾಳಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಗಮಲೈ ಅಂತ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. And before the movie got over, half of the theater got out, bought the matinee tickets and sat there only. Sat, including me, of course. I have seen it morning show on matinee. That was the kind of craze. Of course, the 100 Men episode of Magadira. These two are my all-time favorite movies, Simhadri and Magadira. But as of now, it's Triple R and
ಸರ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಲಿಂ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋ ಯಾರು?
ನಾನು. ಏನ್ರಿ?
It's the director, the maker is the real hero.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, BTV News.
No, the hero of the film, I would say, is the thought that we should be independent and we should be the rulers of our own on our own land. The thought, the freedom thought, is the hero of this film. If you ask me, I would say that's the right question. Right answer, sorry.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, BTV ಇಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಸರದಾರ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಜೆಟು, ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ? ಅಂದರೆ ಈ RR ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ? ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ?
Emotion, I will say. See, like I said, I have fantastic stars, pan-Indian stars. I have a lot of budget, lot of visual effects, a lot of money has been spent. But everything will only help me in getting the audience to the theater. Once they step into the theaters, once the lights are switched off, once the film starts projecting onto the screen, people will not remember all these things. People will be seeing what we are showing on the screen. Within 5-10 minutes, NTR will disappear, Ram Charan will disappear, Ajay Devgan, Alia Bhatt will disappear. No, it will be Komuram Bheem, it will be Allur Sitaramraju, it will be Sita. No, it is the characters that they start seeing. And if people get invested in those emotions, with those characters, then only the film will succeed. The stars or money is not going to make the film succeed. They will only bring the audience to the theater. That's what I believe.
ದಾನೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಈಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಶೋ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆದರೂ, ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ?
డెఫినెట్గా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుందండి. ఇంకా స్టిల్ ట్రై చేస్తున్నామండి. ఎక్స్ట్రా షోలకి, ఫ్లెక్సీ రేట్లకి గవర్నమెంట్ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుందని ఎదురు చూస్తున్నామండి.
Rajmouli sir.
We just have 5 minutes more left. I just wanted to inform. Thank you.
Ankita from Canlish. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
The best trailers from the world cinema so far. Nan prashne for 3 of you, Alia and Ram Charan sir and Junior NTR sir, about Rajmouli sir. Because when we watch his movies on screen, it is pure magic for the fans and the audience. But when the shooting process happening, hengirutte andre, when something is not happening according to him, scene wise or something, is he a strict master or cool dude? How is he as a director?
He's torturous. He's not strict, he's not cool, he's torturous.
I want the answer from 3 of you.
I mean, I really think she can't say that.
No, he didn't. It was lovely.
Yeah, see, for her it was lovely. But for us it wasn't lovely, no? She wasn't in that Hallinatu song. So yeah, for her she's very happy. We went through that torture there.
I remember Hallinatu, because of COVID rules in India and also some location, need of location, he took us all the way to Europe. And in Europe, while he was shooting other scenes, I said then, Tarak, why did we come so early? Because we already rehearsed in Hyderabad. He said, all you have to do is wake up. It's not a holiday of 7 days. 7 days, each day, 6 hours or 7 hours, we were rehearsing.
Macha 7 kaadu 12 రోజులు 12 days.
Sorry, 10 days.
12 days.
So, I think he's the only director who's taken the artist to another country to only rehearse for 10 days. And then if he's satisfied for next, on the 11th day, he said he'll shoot. If not, the continuation of the practice would have happened for the 12th day, 13th day.
No, he's like that. You can ask even Ramagaru also. As a husband also, he's like that. He wants something, that's all. Whatever you do, he wants it.
One of the steps...
And look at him. Check.
One of the steps I think you'll see, we did it for 17, 18 takes. Because Tarak has a style of dancing. I have a style of dancing. But I remember him saying, both have to become one style, that is Rajmouli style. So
he wouldn't say Rajmouli style, but we'll have to figure it out.
Yeah, it's his style.
And when we shot for our action sequences, it was, oh my God. I've never seen him like this, ever. From the 20 years I've known him, I've never seen him like this.
Rajmouli sir, would you accept that, sir?
Yes, he has to. He will also.
Okay. I'll ask, did I ever shout on them? Just yes or no?
Yeah, it's
Did I ever
yes
shout
or no.
on them?
No.
You didn't. Then, did I show my frustration on them?
There is there is
Yes. when
if he shouts, it's
Every
better.
time he asked for one more was a frustrated soul. You were a frustrated director.
No, there is a lot of power in silence. That's what he maintained.
No. He asked for one more. I disagree.
Okay. Are you enjoying the success of Hallinatu? For everything.
The result of it, of course.
Then,
Yes.
Then you have nothing to complain about.
Okay. She asked, I just said. That's all. I'm not complaining.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಮಂಜು ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಜಯವಾಣಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ?
Obviously, he is the story writer. All along I was telling you how important the story is in different aspects, and when he is the story writer of the film, the story is such thing that actually when you see a film, you don't see the story. You'll see the emotions, but all those emotions are built on like a building, no? We won't see the foundation. You only see the building. But the foundation is what makes the building happen. Like that, like you correctly said, the story is the backbone, the story writer is the backbone. Like all my films, this is also what happens. But if you actually talk about torture, you should ask my father how I tortured him. What torture I gave them is nothing compared to what torture I gave to my father.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವಗನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು?
That is a huge impact that he will create. I think the source of the film starts from that character. And you will see on the film what an impact that he will create. It will be very difficult to take it out of your heart, the impact that he creates.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್,
I think in one question,
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್,
in ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು question.
ಇದು ನವೀನ್ ಚಿತ್ತಾರಮಿಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸರ್, ಇದು ಇಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ, ಅಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು?
I think every successful film, irrespective of whether it's a dubbed film, whether it's a straight film, whether it's an other language film, success of a film creates a positive impact on the industry. See, for in Telugu film industry, we have been taking dubbed films from Tamil, from Kannada, from Malayalam, from Hindi, from English for lots of years. No, that made us compete. So suppose like Shankar Sir's film is coming, that used to come with a huge budget, right? We never had that kind of budget. So how do we compete with Shankar Sir's films? That made us think even more harder, work even more harder to compete with those films. That made us better, and our markets also increased because of that. So I don't see any kind of negative impact that happens because of other films coming into our state. I always think a success of a film will create a positive impact on the entire industry, be it creative wise, be it economy wise, be it financial wise, in every aspect. I think it creates a positive impact.
Sir, Rajamouli sir.
Sir,
last
question.
Okay, last one. Rajamouli sir.
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಯಾರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಶ್ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ರಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಯಶ್ ಅವರು ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ KGF ತಂಡ ಫುಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಲ್, ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟುಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. We are looking at now breaking the regional barriers and looking at the Indian films. So that's the huge positive thing, sir. Thank you for giving us
Rajamouli sir.
Yes. Sir,
one question, sir. Rajamouli sir.
It's a last question.
Yeah,
sir.
last question, please.
Last.
ಸರ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ
no, see, in Bahubali I wanted a character, and because Sudeep is my close friend, I asked him would he be interested, and he liked being a part of the story that I said, and he came and did it. There are no financial aspects in that. So see, I don't pick actors based on financial aspects. I will never do that. The moment we start doing that, then we are giving more importance to the economy than the story. We should never do that. I will never do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Can we have the photo sessions on stage?
Sir.
Can we have the photo sessions on stage, please? Everybody silence, please. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. Can these tables be removed?
Okay, 1 second, photo op, please.
I please ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಬೇಡ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸಾರಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಒಂಚೂರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Can you please clear the stage for the photo opportunity, please? Yes. Elru onchur hinde, a few steps back, please. Few steps back. Yes. Thank you.
Hello, little back, please. Little bit.